Hi everyone, waiting for a few people to join in so we can start our part 2 of today's live. Today's part 2 live will be all about our Monzonite collection and our under 30k collection. So I just want to give you a brief about what Monzonite is all about. So Monzonite is kind of a polki that we have it in gold jewelry. Polki is used. Even nowadays, Monzonite stone itself is used to reduce the costing of it. So the same quality stones have been used in our silver Monzonite collection. So this entire base is silver only, and we have used Monzonite stones to give you a polki look. So this kind of collection is basically for your pre-wedding dinners or reception, or even for weddings people do wear this kind of collection, because this is available in our Victorian polish and gold polish also, because as we see our bridal outfits have changed over the year, the craftsmanship of the clothes have also changed, so have the jewelry have eventually changes course. So that's what Monzonite is all about. The finishing, it gives you a very good finishing. So it's basically Monzonite in gold jewelry is also basically, they don't have any kind of resale value when it comes to that, if you're going to ask me that. This is also not, this is about the finishing, the craftsmanship it has to offer. It's a very lightweighted pieces and it's based on silver. If you wear them, it's going to give you a very real good look. Yes, we do have it in emerald ones also, and thank you, someone complimented me on the neck piece. This is available on our website and it's on 10% discount. Entire Monzonite collection is on 10% discount, so please don't miss out on them. These are very few pieces we take on order, so if you really love them, please do get your hands on it. If you have any doubts or something, please connect with us. We'll be happy to help you over that. And so let's start our Monzonite collection. Starting 4 to 5 piece will they have been just in today morning, so that will be on our website by noon, within 2-3 hours. So please don't worry that this is not there on website. This will soon be there. This is Z1190 with the earrings. Yes, the piece I'm wearing and whatever I'm showing is on 92.5 silver. That will have the hallmark of the same. This is, we have used sapphire beads over here. Can you see the color of it? It's so pretty. Please save the code of the pieces you like so that you can easily find them on our website. This is Z1189 with the studs. These are pretty studs to have. This is also a very elegant choker. Monzonite itself gives you a very elegant look. So all the pieces are so elegant that you will just love them. This is Z1186. And these are all on 10% discount. Just 36 hours left to grab them at the sale price. This one is in doublet. And someone was asking emerald. We say it is doublet. Stone we use is doublet. The color you say is emerald. The beads are emerald. Very dainty earrings, very cute little earrings. These are also some beautiful necklaces. We have it in 3 colors. If you like the motifs of a peacock, please do have a look. Kesikpal Bandai. Here we have used tourmaline beads. The earrings are also pretty, very lightweighted. This is for ZM976. This is on 23,500. We have it in 3 colors. We have it in emerald and another one in sapphire. I'll show you how this piece is going to look on your neck, as it's very beautiful. You would really not want to miss out on this. Whoever was asking me about this neck piece, the one I was wearing it, this is the piece. And the code is Z1163. So you can find by the code on our website. This is very flexible, it will sit beautifully on your neck piece. This year's, I think, is the newest trend, is the Monzonite collection is the newest trend of this year. So if you're someone who loves to go with the trend, please don't miss out on this piece. See how this is beautiful. It's very dainty. You can easily wear it. It's not just for your family, the first family function. You can wear it even for your friends or anyone. It's very lightweighted. On your sari, kurta, Indo-Western. This is the earrings. Pretty earrings to go with that. This is how it is. Price is it is for 23,500 and you'll get 10% discount on these pieces. So you can find them on our Monzonite collection on website. If you really like them, please place your orders now. These are the emerald ones and this is in the sapphire. If you want color or something like that, please do have a look. This is a choker, best for a V-neck if you have a reception or pre-wedding dinner. Even for a wedding outfit, you can wear this. It has a Victorian polish. The one that I just showed you, it also has a Victorian polish. These are the earrings. These here are the doublet stones. This is a choker with the peacock motifs. ZM 980. These jhumkas are very pretty. You can wear it as a standalone also. This is so stunning. I mean, can you see the Jadao work have been fusioned with Monzonite and tendonite beads have been used. We have this amazing studs. This is also a choker. It's a cute choker. This is ZM 441. These are all on 10% discount. I love the earrings of this personally because the peacock motif shown here is so beautiful. Oh, this has been our bestseller. People have been loving this piece so much. So if you we are now just left with one piece on them. So if you really like them, please place your order now. I'll just show you how this is going to sit on your neck if you have any doubt on that. Yeah, hi Miss Sunita. I'll just wear it and show you how this is going to look. This is how this choker is going to fit you. This is the choker. It's very apt for Indo-Western outfit or even on your Western outfit or a gown. It's very Western look yet with a touch of Indianness. Even on your, if you're wearing a gown or something like, this is the best piece you can have with this stone over here. It's an engraved stone if you can see. It looks beautiful. So this is how it is. And we have pretty cute little studs. Let's move on to some other pieces. Hi, someone wanted our address. We are based at Ahmedabad. You can find them in our bio. Indo-Western in blue. Yes, definitely. I showed some pieces before in blue. Please check out our website to explore the color options. Hi. Yes, you can wear it little lower also. This is something I adjusted as per my neck and the way I wanted to wear it. You can definitely wear it a little low if you want. I'll just show you how it is going to look after a low. Someone had a doubt regarding it. This is how it will be a little low if you want. Yes, this is how low it will look. This too will look pretty. It's a V-neck as well as a choker. As per your neckline, you can adjust it. I hope your doubts have been solved. This is with a doublet stone. This is, you can wear it as a standalone piece or you can pair it with a choker or a round neck piece, anything. This is how the back side of it will be. These are the earrings to go with that. This is another choker with the intricate craftsmanship. Studs with the bandai. We have tried your 2 color combination bandai in this. This is in a symmetry, a little bigger and smaller. This is how the symmetry goes. In a very, very cute little earrings to go with that. These are very lightweighted long piece if you are someone who loves long pieces. Best to wear on a sari, on a kanjivaram or something like that. This is going to go beautifully. This is something a bride can have a look at it. It's very beautiful. Just have the look at the clear stone shade that has been used over here and how it will be from behind. Can you see the craftsmanship over here and the 92.5 stamp? So all this jewelry is going to have a stamp of 92.5. This is how from behind, this is all handmade. It's not machine made. These are the earrings. This one is also a very unique piece. More of diamond and monzonite combination. This is ZM996. This is one hell of a beauty. Please, please, please don't miss out on this color combination that we have used. And someone who loves long pieces, this is, you can definitely have a look at it. Can you just see how that we have embossed this thing in giving you a 3D looking thing? This all pieces are such pieces. It's in a rose gold polish. Can you have a look at it? It's a rose gold polish and with tanzanite and emeralds used with. It is so beautiful. I'll just show you how it's going to look it on oneself. I'll just have a little try of it so you get an idea that what beauty I'm talking about. This is the piece. You can adjust the length as per your wish. This is what I have done right now to just show you. This is how it's going to look. And earrings, I'll show you. Earrings are pretty, very pretty. I love them because they are long, they have the combination, and it's just so elegant. This will have a screw back. And a clasp to give you a very good grip. See, I have not put the screw back yet, so that's the reason. See, this is how the earring is. Did you see? It's so pretty. I just need to fit it very well. I have not done that fitting. This is how the earrings will go. The pearls have to be a little. Yes, I'll let you know the price of it. Just have a. It's for 61,400. It's based on silver, and it will be on 10% discount. Let's move on to some other pieces. This is perfect for a bride who loves Victorian polish and Victorian look with the pretty studs. See how we made this. This is in Victorian polish, perfect for a bride for her reception or a pre-wedding dinner. Code is ZM512, and the studs are also pretty. We will now move on to Monzonite earrings. These are very light-weighted earrings. We have it in ruby shade also, very light-weighted. The code is ZM699, and you can pair it up with anything. These are so, versatile pieces. The flexibility, can you see? This is ZM 295. These are all available on our website. They'll be at 10% discount. So please don't miss out on these pieces if you really like them. This again in Victorian polish, the jhumkas. This is ZM 566. If you want only the earrings, very lightweighted, very lightweighted. This is also very pretty. Z1058. This all will be on 10% discount. So please don't miss out on our annual sale. Cute little one. The one with the sapphire. Someone wanted in blue. You can have it a look. It's ZM559. This one long earrings. If you just want to wear the earrings, you can go with such long elongated earrings. This is ZM842. This all will be on 10% discount. The studs are so pretty, so pretty. This is back in stock. If you really like them, please have a look, because This is something people loved it when I worn it with a one piece or western look. Z11722. This is Z1167. The studs are so pretty. I mean, I love them. With the star shape over here. These are all available on our website. ZM237. I'll show you a few pieces after trying them. This one is in doublet. This one someone asked me sapphire. I'll show you the jhumka and one piece that were very flexible, and I showed you that we had it in ruby too. I'll show you how this is going to look after trying them on. How that is going to look. Give you the feel of that. Just remove them so you can have. These earrings I was talking about. These are the earrings I was talking about. We had it in ruby shade also, ruby beads badai. So you can have it. Have a look at our website also. This is in a push. This is the earrings. It's very beautiful. Can you just have a look? I mean, this is very elegant. And one more jhumka I wanted to show you. Is this one. Some heavy earrings in Monzonite will have a screw back. And this kind of clasp. This is the jhumka. This is how it's going to look. Don't you see? It gives up the look of very traditional, but very Indian, but very traditional look. Now I'll be showing you some very dainty pieces. First of all, before showing them, I really want you to see how it looks on the neck, so I can show you the colors of it. What we have different colors in that. So I'll just show you what I'm talking about. This one is in sapphire that I'm trying. These pieces have been our best seller. You really would not want to miss out on that, and they are at very budget friendly cost, and these are for 8,800 and currently on 10% discount. You can pair it up with your western outfit, even your traditional outfit. You can wear it with something for your office party or something like that. You can easily wear them. We have it in 4 to 5 colors. We have it in emerald, champagne, neutral white, and tanzanite, ruby. See, this is how it is going to look. Don't you think it looks very pretty when you wear them? The earrings we have, it is very dainty, cute little earrings. Easily you can wear it up with any of your outfit if you don't want to go overboard, or if you don't want to go too heavy on the jewelry part. This is something you will really love it. So this we have it in 3-4 colors. You can explore our website. Code is ZM332. You will find them under that code. So this is how it looks. Very dainty, very light, and easy to carry anywhere you go. And this will beautifully fall on your neck. This one is another one in 2 line with the studs. As I said, I have it in ruby. Hi, Miss Ruchita Reddy. I think minimalist jewelry, that is studs and all clips that are there on website, will not be showcasing them on the live today. But you can have this kind of minimalist as your collection. This is also some kind of minimalist jewelry. This one is in white. And some monzonite long. This one is in monzonite with the Gajraj motifs. And this one isn't pastel tone with the stones. You can pair it up with your Indian Western outfit, even your Western outfit, if you just want to have a look at it. Code is, the price is MZ 922 is the code, 13,100, and it is on 10% discount. Few pieces of our monzonite collection is going to be uploaded. Within an hour you will be able to see the new pieces that have just been in today morning. So every day we had some or the other thing uploaded, so please do have a look. Now we'll be going through our under 30k collection. So that is our Jadao collection. Basically it will have a Jadao work and a silver. It will be on 92.5 silver. It's a Jadao work, very lightweighted pieces and very budget friendly in our silver segment. You can have a look at our under 30k on our website. Please don't miss out on them, because these are very dainty pieces and we have remade them with this motifs and all. So we won't be taking orders on all pieces, only few pieces we are taking orders. So if you really like them with this mango shape and this thing, please do have a look. These are all on 10% discount. This is NR 407. For 11,950 you get the entire set, which is on silver. So you get my point. These are all little budget friendly for our silver section. So do have a look at it. This in neutral white. Very dainty earrings. If you have a teenage girl or someone who wants to just start exploring the jewelry, Indian jewelry, you can please have a look at these pieces. NR 413. This is for 7,350, and on this you're going to get 10% discount. Not a bad piece. This is what we call here, this beads as kharbuja in Gujarati. Even it's said as watermelon beads. Whatever you name them, we have tried a different bandai. The earrings are also pretty. This code is NR 470 for this piece, if you want to search it on website. This is entirely neutral. This is NR 057 with this neutral earrings. This is another one. You will find them under 30k our budget friendly options for our silver collection, our Jadao collection. This has also been our best sellers. We are taking orders on this piece. If you want multiple pieces to give someone this Rakhi, we have it available. This is our best seller since quite a few time now. It's C1236 and this will have 10% discount. This also so many of you loved in our last live. This is another one. Someone who wanted in sapphire. This is NR 122. It's for 7,900. The pearl bandhai and sapphire. This one with the earrings. This one is NR 244 and this code is NR 122. Hi Miss Krushali, I hope your queries have been answered. We had 2-3 varieties in this kind of piece and they are very good ones. I mean, very easy to carry. Easily you can wear it for other people's function also. You cannot have it like just for your function. This is very versatile. And this is another one. I'll just say I forgot to mention the code. This is C117. Hi Miss Krushali, if you have missed out on something, please you can explore our website under 30K. Also this live, all the lives are going to be saved on our profile. You can have a look at your convenience and you can let us know if you have any queries. And these are all under 30K and available on our website at 10% discount last 36 hours. It's NR 436. This is the earrings. I think today's live have been really good. You have been really good and I hope I have solved all your queries or doubts, whatever you had. I would really recommend you to have a look at a silver collection because it's once in a year sale. We do not have a discount policy around the year and we have discount at 10 to 30%. It's ranging from 10 to 30%. It's precisely now last 36 hours of our annual sale on website. So if you really like our pieces, if you really trust us, we have been in this since last 20 years. You need not worry about the authenticity and the craftsmanship of these pieces because we are in this since 20 years and we have the trust of our people over here. So this is what we stand for and you need not worry for our after sale service also. You can reach out to us at any point of time for anything you want. If you're not in Ahmedabad also, you can send us a piece. We'll be happy to help you. You can send us a photo of on WhatsApp that what is the requirement. If you want to remake your pieces, we will always be there after selling you the pieces. It's not that we are going to vanish or something after selling you these pieces. So this is, I know when it comes to 92.5 silver collection, silver pieces, you want someone that you can trust forever. So that is there we are. So last 36 hours of our annual sale. So please don't miss out on our newly added pieces also. Thank you so much and thank you for all the love you have shown. Tata, bye bye.